Ultimate Hangs Flow. This 10-minute hangs flow decompresses the spine, tractions the hips, and improves overhead arms positioning or shoulder flexion. Though it focuses on the upper body and core, it's still a phenomenal full body stability warm-up. Focus on elevating and depressing your shoulder blades or scapula for maximum mobility gains and lower trap development. And any of these drills can be used EHOH every hour on the hour during your workday to optimize overall health and performance. Finally, feel free to mix up your grip width and hand position from set to set or session to session for variety. Perform each move for 40 seconds of work with 20 seconds of rest between moves. Weighted med ball dead hangs. Squeeze a heavier med ball between your legs to activate the pelvic floor. Add scap or pull-up shrugs for best results. Deeply inhale through the nose into the belly when going down. Fully exhale through the mouth when going up. Halfway. Left arm self-assisted hangs. Sink low into a self-assisted bilateral squat. Add a twisting motion towards your hanging arm to mobilize your spinal rotators. Mix in single arm scap shrugs for best results. Halfway. Right arm self-assisted hangs. Halfway. Left leg hip twist hangs. Twist your hips so your legs assume a split stance at approximately a 90-degree angle. Add multi-directional motion plus scap shrugs for best results. Halfway. Never back down with the 9mm sound. Right leg hip twist hangs. Halfway. Left leg split squat hangs. Sink as low as possible into a split squat position. Add multi-directional movement plus lead leg hip flexions for best results. Halfway. Right leg split squat hangs. Halfway. Left leg squat hangs. Assume a partial single leg squat. Add flexion and extension of the hip while working on single leg balance, mobility, and stability with your arms overhead. Halfway. Right leg squat hangs. Halfway. Twisting Cobra extension hangs. Dig your toes into the floor, drive your feet underground, and slowly let your hips sink to the floor. Gently squeeze your glutes as you floss your hips side to side.